Hello, everyone. Hope we're doing well on this crazy time. A lot of you have asked and kind of been trying to figure out how to do discussions, questions in our Google Classroom. So on mine, I can go into the classroom and I can see, who's turned in and who hasn't, for example. Okay. But you guys are wondering how you can do it from your perspective and how do you post questions and reply. So over here, I'm as a test student and I have already signed into my account. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to Google Classroom, wait for it to load. I'm going to go to our Earth Science class right over here. I posted a video, but that one isn't as good, so let's check here. So down here is our assignment, or you can even do classwork. I think they'll do both. Yeah, so it'll get to your classwork. That's our question here. So here is not enough. You have to go into the question, see all the resources down here. There's an infographic, a link to talk about which is better, soap and water or hand sanitizer, and then some slides to go along with coronavirus 19, COVID-19, just to kind of get a feel for what this is. There's a lot of false news out there, false information. Which one's more accurate? I trust these sites and I strongly encourage you to do so. Some people posted some comments, that's totally fine, but go into the view question. All right, the view question where you can actually see the assignment. All right, up here, like if you were to turn in Google Slides or Google Docs, you would see something, turn in your work. I've already submitted a question, but you would be able to post your question here. Okay, I've already posted a question, so now I see two options. I see classmate answers here, classmate answers here, and I can click on either one. So let's click on classmate answers. So in Core 1, I've seen Troy, Kian, Jonathan, Ireland, and test student, which is the one I just posted. Okay, that's my question, but if you want to reply to someone, click in the reply, and then you can add in your own response. Type it in, click the arrow or the paper airplane to submit. Same idea here, but if I go to my answer, hit reply to class comment, you could do it there as well. Private comments only get sent to me, the teacher. Okay, so don't post in the private comments. You want it so then everyone can see. All right, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Bye.